Heaping helpings of rich holiday food can leave your stomach aching for something simple, something like soup. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to soothe your stomach with a broth-based recipe for lemon chicken vegetable soup. This savory soup is easy to digest and delicious to eat, making it the perfect choice to help you avoid a holiday tummy ache. So let's get cooking. To begin, heat 1 tablespoon of Gustari Vita olive oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 3 carrots, sliced and peeled, and follow them with a cup of heart-healthy yellow onion. We're going to cook these for about 5 minutes while stirring frequently. Next, mix in a tablespoon of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Then pour in 2 containers of Hy-Vee chicken stock. Bring the mix to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. I'm using 1 regular chicken stock and 1 with no salt added to help lower the overall sodium content. Next, grab Hy-Vee's picked rotisserie chicken breast and shred it into bite-sized pieces for a splash of lean protein. Add the chicken along with 1 cup of organic orzo pasta and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Once that's done, stir in 1 medium-sized sliced zucchini. This succulent squash is filled with gut-friendly fiber and antioxidants to support healthy vision. Next, add lemon zest, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped oregano. Let them simmer for 5 minutes, then add a package of baby spinach and remove from heat. After that, all that's left is to ladle your soup into bowls and serve. I like to garnish mine with a lemon slice for a colorful finishing touch. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.